This is a love reading for the sun sign Sagittarius from February to March. In this love reading, I am doing a heart-shaped spread. On my left are the cards for Sagittarians and on my right are the cards for your love interest, your partner, or if you are married then your spouse. After we have seen how are the cards for Sagittarians who are couples and are in relationship, I will remove the partner cards to only look at Sagittarians who are single and are looking for love. If you were to write to me for a personal reading, I complete the heart-shaped spread for singles with the time spread. That is to know when is it likely that you will find someone nice and you can be in a relationship with. But this is a general reading and I cannot do a time spread in a general reading. So we will only understand what is the guidance from tarot for Sagittarians who are single and are looking for love. So let us first see how are the cards for Sagittarians who are couples and are in relationship. Please note that this is a general reading and not everything will apply to all Sagittarians, and whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is, who is Sagittarius? Who is your partner? What is the strength or challenge you are bringing? What is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about your partner or the relationship in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let us see what the cards are. So Sagittarius, I am just seeing that your partner is very, very passionate about you. There is so much love in the air. It's just telling me there's a very strong chemistry between you and your partner. Also, Sagi, you take every day as a very new beginning to the relationship, really. So, I am just seeing there is a lot of adventure, newness, trying new things out, going to places, and really living the life in the relationship. So, Saji, you are in a very good place in this relationship. Who is your partner? So, your partner is someone very, very reliable, dependable, and is very grounded. So, this is also a very good balanced relationship because I am seeing a very good balance. While Saji may sometimes overdo certain things, your partner may just hold back. And the balance is when the two of you come together, you just do it at the right pace. Very nice relationship. If you're married, then it's telling me it's a very steady, trusting relationship, really. Sometimes, Saji, you may find your partner to be a bit boring. But there is no worry because you bring a lot of creativity and enjoyment into the relationship. So your partner may not necessarily be boring. They are just too careful about how they want to do things. Now, what is the strength or challenges you are bringing? And what is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? So both of you have your hands full. It's telling me, Saji, you have a lot of pressure at work. There is just so much to do. But you are taking it all in your stride. You are giving equal amount of time to your personal life and your professional life. You're bringing a lot on board. And there is immense sensitivity as well. So your strength is you're managing and handling every situation as it comes. Even though it may be tiring you out, but you are taking it in your stride. So what is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? Your partner is also dealing with a lot of things at work or maybe outside the relationship or marriage. There is just so much to deal with. So it's telling me both of you individually in your space are very, very occupied. So your partner is also trying to make the best of the time they get and really fending off challenges and holding a good position. And they are taking time out to keep the relationship very, very sound and loving. So what I'm seeing is a lot of commitment from both of you, Saji and the partner. Very beautiful energy again. So both of you are very committed to keep the relationship strong and take time for out for each other. So how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So sometimes you feel your partner can be a bit confused or may have certain expectations from you which may not be so realistic, but you will like to understand. So you also want to make things happen for your partner. So it's telling me, Saji, you're not holding back. You're giving a lot into the relationship and you know your partner has a lot of emotional expectations and you want to really know what those expectations are because you are totally committed to keeping the relationship and your partner very, very happy. How does your partner see you? They see you as someone very successful and very, very powerful. Your partner knows you're very gifted. Some of you Sagis may be so creative that this is a calling from the universe that take that idea and run with it because your partner knows you are capable of immense success. So your partner is very, very drawn to you and they totally believe in your abilities. Very beautiful energy. And you're very transparent, Saji. Your partner sees you as very, very transparent. You don't hide things. There is no double talk or any meaning other than what you are saying in what you are saying. So your partner sees you as someone very, very transparent and easy to trust. So what is the hope or fear you have about the relationship in the future? You want this relationship to go strength to strength and both of you to create assets for each other and really have a good, loving, long-term relationship. If you are married, it's telling me both Saji, you and your partner are looking at building a house. Or if you already have a house, then you may be looking at redecorating it or maybe buying a second house. It's just telling me the process, the future. You want to really, you see the future with your partner and you want to start working towards that future. So Saji, you want a marriage, you want the next level. And to me, it's looking like your family agrees with you on your partner. Now, how does your partner, what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? Your partner sees you as a soulmate connection. There is so much love and success in the relationship, really. Your partner is so committed about the future, and maybe somewhere that is why they're going so cautious. They don't want to make any mistakes. They're totally convinced that this is the ultimate relationship. I am just seeing so much love, so much commitment, and so much trust and faith in the relationship, really. Very beautiful cards. So, what is the past you are coming from, Saji, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, you both have had your share of difficult times. It's telling me, Saji, you have spent a lot of long hours working long and hard, maybe at a relationship which did not give you enough room for yourself. You were just busy pleasing the other person. And you have now found something that also gives you a lot of freedom, and you're able to enjoy this love. It's possible some of you at work were very drained out and may have started a new business of or work or job on your own. Your partner is looking like your partner went through a very bad phase themselves. Maybe some long relationship got over, or they experienced some kind of a financial loss. It's just telling me your partner went to hell, stayed there for some time, and now is back on the both the feet. So your partner has been through a lot, Saji. But the good part is they just already see how beautiful this relationship is, and they're working with you to create a very beautiful future. Very nice reading. So now let us see what is the overall guidance from Tarot for the love reading. So when I get this energy with such a beautiful layout, it's telling me just be prepared for something unexpected coming up. And that could be some kind of a surprise. Maybe some stress, some situation that you may have to deal with. But if you see, no matter what the situation may be that may come up unexpectedly, these two swords are still standing. It's telling me that something very tricky may come up as a situation and test the depth of your relationship. But if you both are able to hold on to each other, this energy should go. But there is something coming up. So just be ready for some surprises or unexpected event to come up in the relationship. Hold your ground and mentally think through your situation if it comes up. You will be able to survive that situation really. Because the layout is telling me it's a strong relationship. But I'm just seeing something going or something happening unexpectedly. So this was your reading, Saji. People who are in relationship and are couples. Now I'm going to look at Sagis who are single and are looking for love. So first of all, Sagi, you need to take time out from work. It's telling me you're working day and night. And if you do that, chances of finding love are very low. It's just telling me you're working 24/7 and you just don't have time. And another problem is you want to only meet the person you feel can be your soulmate. So that cannot happen unless you meet someone. So it's telling me that you're setting up yourself high standards and then not putting any effort towards it. So you may want to take time out. So it's telling me work is very demanding for you, but you should take time out to meet people. It's quite possible some of you have been feeling let down by the person you showed interest in. There was someone who just cheated on you, or you just tricked you into a situation really. So be a good judge of who you date, and that can happen if you can take time out and have a peace of mind when you meet people. Because if you don't know someone well, the chances of getting cheated and being tricked are very, very high. So this is your reading, Saji, for singles and couples from February to March.